How to revoke unauthorized access in the XM application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you notice any unauthorized access being logged into your XM account, then you can easily remove that from the XM app. Launch open your XM application on your mobile device and log into your account. You can also log into XM on a web browser and sign in. Once you're logged in, go find your profile icon at the top right corner, and then once you are inside this My Profile section, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Security. Now, click on Devices. You'll be able to see all of the devices that are currently logged into your XM account with. If you find any suspicious logins, simply tap on the Revoke Trust button and click on Remove from Trusted Device in the pop-up at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to remove unauthorized access in your XM application. Now the device that has been logged into your XM account will be logged out or removed from the access. So there's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.